I'm Fabio Guerini, Product Manager for Mapei Sealing and Bonding line. Today, I would like to present Mapepur Multi-Adhesive G and Adhesive Foam for bonding elements quickly, including those with a large surface area characterized by its easy and quick application. It's the ideal product to quickly bond different materials with different finishes and a large surface area, such as insulating panels, plasterboard or door and window sills and styles. Compared with traditional cementitious adhesives and products normally available in silicone cartridges, this handy spray can drastically reduces application time and costs. To bond building elements with a large surface area, such as a 120 by 80 cm insulating panel, we can use traditional adhesive applied over the whole surface or assembly adhesive from a cartridge. A quick, clean and more cost-effective alternative for bonding building elements with a large surface area is to use this specific low-expansion adhesive home, Mapepur Multi-Adhesive G. When applying this adhesive, only 30 to 40% of the surface to be bonded needs to be covered by forming parallel vertical beads or other patterns as shown in the video. Thanks to the ready-to-use spray and the speed at which the special gun feeds the adhesive, using Mapepur Multi-Adhesive G reduces application time by at least 50% and guarantees bonds are quick, efficient and strong. Unlike traditional filler forms for insulating and soundproofing gaps, Mapepur Multi-Adhesive G has a controlled expansion rate. Once it is completely set, elements bonded with Mapepur Multi-Adhesive G remain in their original position thanks to the controlled expansion rate of the adhesive foam used. Once it is completely set, elements bonded with traditional filler foam for insulating and soundproofing gaps are lifted partially and move out of their original position due to the high expansion rate of the foam used. After filling 2 containers of the same volume, within a few minutes, the Mapepur Multi-Adhesive G foam swells very little thanks to its special formula with a controlled expansion rate, allowing bonds to be formed that are controlled and precise. Traditional filler foam, on the other hand, expands at an uncontrolled rate, which inevitably causes the bonded element to be lifted out of position. Thanks to the controlled expansion rate of Mapepur Multi-Adhesive G, the internal structure of the foam is homogeneous and compact to guarantee high mechanical properties and bond strength. The bond strength of traditional filler foam is low, and the adhesive detaches very easily. Bonds made using Mapepur Multi-Adhesive G foam, on the other hand, have a high level of adhesion and detachment is more cohesive.